Yes, here that unit number 18 heredity lesson concept map. Now we are going to discuss about the concept map of heredity lesson. The first thing of an heredity, they are just divided as a 4 division. The first two is a chromosome and next one is the Mendel's law. Okay, and next thing is DNA and mutation. First one chromosome. Here heredity. Why they are related to the heredity and chromosome na? A chromosome is considered of an DNA particles. DNA particles எல்லாமே chromosome. DNA particles உடைய compression தான் என்னது chromosome சொல்லுவாங்க. And next one Mendel's law. Why they are related to the Mendel's law and heredity na? Is a father of genetics. We already said that heredity, which means a carry of information from one generation to another generation. Just Mendel's law prove that how they are carried from one generation to another generation in their character. Okay, and next one is the DNA. We already said that DNA is a nucleotide sequences. Okay, and next one is the mutation. Here a mutation, which means a sudden changes. Either or sudden changes DNA particles like sudden changes adanala they are showing some of the characters. The different characters are sudden growth ஆ இருக்கட்டும் ஓகேவா வேற ஏதாவது நியூ கேரக்டர் எக்ஸ்பிரஸ் ஆகிறதா இருக்கட்டும் it is a mutation. Okay, it may be causes in external இருக்கலாம் இன்டர்னலாகவும் இருக்கலாம் ஓகேவா. And next one in this concept map, first we are going to discuss about the chromosome. What are the parts are involved in that, or what are the important words are involved in the chromosomal part. A first thing, and there are having some types and functions of chromosomes also. Okay, first thing, structure. The structure of chromosome. Here a primary construction, which means they are having some strands of chromatide part. This is a chromatide part, right? Here they are each chromatide attached to the center part. So here they are construction. In this part they are called as a construction. Usually where we called as a construction at the time of cell division, a single cell form as a 2 daughter cell, and before that they are having a cell divisions, right? A cell division process la the cell wall they are making as a construction fold mari form ஆகும். அந்த fold உடைய name தான் என்ன சொல்லுவோம் construction சொல்லுவோம். Okay ma, here they are forming as a construction to be here, that is the primary construction. And next one is the secondary construction. Here a secondary construction any chromatides they are formed as another construction part. This is the one strand, and here this is another chromatide. Here the construction formed at the any site of a chromatide part. This is a secondary construction. And next one is the centromere. We already said that centromere that is the center part of a chromosome. Primary construction or chromatide centromere சொல்லுவாங்க ஓகேவா. So this is the center part of a chromosome, that is the centromere. And next one is the telomere. Telomere na here at the end of a chromosome they are contained a telomere. Telomere main function பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா just they are help to maintain a structure maintain பண்றது, and they are provide a functional support கொடுக்கிறது. And not only that, here a telomere இந்த part இருக்காங்க இல்லையா, they are also called as a aging clock ன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. just they are prevent from the aging of a cell. And next one satellite. Here see this, in this chromosome they are formed as a secondary construction. At the end of a chromosome they are formed as a knob-like structure, swelling mari irukka. So in this part they are called as a satellite. Okay, and next one types of chromosome. Here are types of chromosome based on the structure, based on the functions. Two types irukku. First one types of chromosome based on the structure. Is the first one is the telocentric. What is the first one? Telocentric. And next one is the acrocentric. What is the next one? Acrocentric. And next one is the submetacentric and metacentric. I will say the detailed explanation in the theory part of the each and every types of chromosome. Okay, and next one is the kinds of chromosome. What are the kinds of chromosome? Based on the function, these are the kinds of chromosome. First one is the autosome. What is the first one? Autosome. And next one is the allosome. What is the next one ma? Allosome. Yeah, first one autosome, allosome. Totally how many pairs of chromosome are present in the human? 23 pair. Yeah, 23 pair they are divided as 2 parts. First one is the 22 and last set is 23. Okay, here at 22 they are called as a autosome, 23rd pair they are called as a allosome. Here at 22 chromosome are determine the body structures, body character of an offspring, and 23rd is determine the sex of an a baby. Okay, that is the autosome is 22 and 23rd pair is the allosome. These are the kinds of chromosome. And last one is the sex determination in human. Sex determination, here a 23rd pair is there, no, there is a sex determination in human. First thing, male, if they are in a male chromosome, they are contain 22 plus XY pair, and if they are a female, they are contain a 22 plus XX chromosome, that is a 44. 24 na say pair na 44. Okay va, so that's it for a chromosome. Important keywords and some of the parts on the chromosome, and will be more. Next one, here next one is the DNA. DNA nale, that is the what, nucleotide sequences na. Okay ma, here they are called as a nucleotide sequences. Which one is called as a nucleotide sequences na? DNA. Here DNA is a double helix like structure. First one they are given a pentose sugar. Okay va, and next one is the nitrogenous base, and next one is the phosphate group. Here a nucleotide in this DNA they are formed as a base pair. Being pathonaka, here they are formed as some molecules like structures, a sugar, phosphate group, and here nitrogenous base they are having that is the purine and pyrimidines rendu group irukanga. Okay va, that is the adenine and guanine, cytosine and thymine. Okay va, we will say that detailed in a theory part. First thing, these are all the some parts involved in the nucleotide: pentose sugar and nitrogenous base and phosphate group. And next one is the replication. Here a replication, which means just here this is a parent DNA. This is what? Parent DNA. They are anti-parallel to the one another. Anti-parallel, which means they are in a opposite direction. For an example, this is the 5 dash. They are started from the 5 dash to 3 dash. They are entered in the 3 dash, and here 3 dash to 5 dash. Okay, they are always move from the 5 dash to 3 dash. The direction la DNA move on. Now they go for a replication. That only in a part, no. Replication le origin of replication. Here where they are starting point, double helix are இருக்கிறது, they are separate as a single separate parent strand, just they are separate the DNA strand. Okay va, twisted form la இருக்கிறது separate parent DNA va separate ஆயிடும். That is the origin of replication. So here the origin of replication, just they are separate as a individual strand. And next one, unbundling of DNA. Bundling இருக்கிறது unbundling. Okay va, separate இங்க பாருங்க, just see here, they are binding of some enzymes, just they are unbundling the DNA. And next one is the formation of RNA primers. Why the formation of RNA primers na? Here this is the parent DNA. In that separated form, they need to produce the again a daughter DNA. In this RNA primers is the first phase. எங்கன்னா ஒரு parent DNA la போய் attach ஆயிட்டு, just they are synthesized a new strand. That is the what? Formation of RNA primers. And next one is the synthesis of a new DNA. So this is the what? Synthesis of new DNA strand. And next one is the termination. Termination again the ending process. Okay, so that's it for a replication. And next one is the mutation. Here mutation, the first one, a chromosomal mutation. Chromosomal mutation, this is the chromosome, you know that very well. Okay va, first one chromosome nale they are contained 23 pair இல்லையா. இப்போ chromosomal mutationல ரெண்டு டைப் இருக்கு. Okay, based on the structure and based on the number. First thing, the நார்மலா இருக்கிறத பேஸ், அதாவது சைஸை பேஸ் பண்ணி just they are differ. நார்மல் சைஸை விட there are being some changes in that. Maybe டாமினண்ட்டாக இருக்கலாம், அதிகமான எக்ஸஸ் growth இருக்கலாம், மேபி ரிசசிவ் growth இருக்கலாம். ஓகே, சேஞ்சஸ் இன் தி size and shape of a chromosome or changes in the number, maybe 23 into 24 para இருக்கலாம், or decrease in number 22 la கூட இருக்கலாம். Okay, that is the changes in the number. First one பாருப்பா, changes in the structure of chromosome, changes in the number of chromosome. Okay, and next one is the gene mutation. Here a gene mutation la first one, gene அப்படின்னா என்னதுன்னா particular stand of DNA they called as a gene. They are responsible for the carry of character. ஓகேவா, அதான் என்னன்னு சொல்லுவோம், ஜீன் சொல்லுவோம். Here substitution, அதுக்கு பதிலா இன்னொரு ஜீன். And next one deletion, here removing of a gene part, and insertion to add to that, and next one inversion, talagi. Okay, so these are all the sum of mutation in the gene. Okay, so that's it for a mutation, and will be more a last one, Mendel's law. And here this is a last map in the concept map in heredity, Mendel's law. Here the Mendel's, Grigor Jagan Mendel's only prove that heredity in the plant, that is the carry of information from one generation to another generation, that is the heredity we say na, they are only prove that a law. They are based on they are given a 3 laws. First one, law of dominance, which mean a what bean pathonaka. First thing here, just imagine they are having a one plant, that is the tall plant, and here they are having another plant, that is the dwarf plant. Okay, they are going to cross to that. Here they are having a chromosome type as capital T. Here they are having chromosome type as small t. அப்போ cross பண்றச்ச what they are gain அப்படின்னு பார்த்தோம்னாக்கா, with the help of one square box is there, இதுக்கு நேம் புன்னட் ஸ்கொயர்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. சரியாப்பா, they are always placed at the top in the tall over one. Now they are going to cross on the tall and dwarf plant. Okay va, they gain a tall and dwarf, again tall and dwarf, same tall and dwarf. சரியா, டாலுக்கும் ட்ராஃபுக்கும் கிராஸ் பண்ணுறச்ச டால் அண்ட் ட்ராஃப் பிளான்ட் கிடைக்கும். அகைன் டாலுக்கு ட்ராஃபுக்கு கிராஸ் பண்ணுறச்ச டால் அண்ட் ட்ராஃப் பிளான்ட் கிடைக்கும். சேம் லைக் தட் ஹியர் டால் அண்ட் ட்ராஃப் கிடைச்சாச்சா. அண்ட் ஃபைனலாக பார்த்தோன்னாக்கா ஒரு டால் பிளான்ட் ஒரு ட்ராஃப் பிளான்ட் இருக்கும். ஹியர் கேரக்டர் எக்ஸ்பிரஷன் ஆஃப் திஸ் பிளான்ட், தே ஆர் இன் அ டால் ஒன்லி. வாட் இஸ் த ரீசன்னா, a tall character suppress the, is then a tall character or suppress the recessive character. So that is the law of dominance. And next one, law of segregation. Here a segregation, which mean just they are segregate their character. For an example, இப்போ first generation இருக்காங்க இல்லையா, first generation capital T small t இருக்காங்க. Now they go for a cross. இதுக்கு cross பண்றச்ச என்ன கிடைக்கும், again புன்னட் ஸ்கொயர் போடலாமா, ஒரு கேபிட்டல் டி ஒரு ஸ்மால் டி கிடைக்கும் இல்லையா. அகைன் கேபிட்டல் டி ஸ்மால் டி, கேபிட்டல் டி ஸ்மால் டி, ஸ்மால் டி ஸ்மால் டி. ஹியர் செக்ரிகேஷன் பேஸ்ட் ஆன் த டால் அண்ட் ட்ராஃப் பிளான்ட், ஜஸ்ட் செக்ரிகேட் தட். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன் டால் ரெண்டு சேம் கேரக்டர், அண்ட் அகைன் ஒன் இஸ் தி 1 2 3 4. ஓகேவா, ஒரு டால், டூ டால் அண்ட் ட்ராஃப் பிளான்ட் மிக்ஸ் டு தட், and one dwarf plant. So this is the what, law of segregation and law of independent assortment. Last one is the what, law of independent assortment. First one என்ன சொன்னோம், சப்ரஸ் பண்ணணும்னு சொன்னோம் இல்லையா. ஹியர் இண்டிபெண்டன்ட் அசார்ட்மெண்ட்னா தே ஓன்ட் சப்ரஸ் ஆர் கேரக்டர், அதோடைய கேரக்டர் சப்ரஸ் பண்ணாது. இண்டிவிஜுவலி தே ஆர் எக்ஸ்பிரஸிங் தட். இண்டிவிஜுவலாகவே டாலாக இருந்தால் டால் கேரக்டர் எக்ஸ்பிரஸ் பண்ணும், அதே ட்ராஃபாக இருந்தால் just they are expressed a dwarf character. Both genes are expressing their character, they won't suppress anything. Okay, but that is the what, last law of independent assortment. Okay ma, so that's it for an concept map in this heredity. I hope you have to understand to that. Just write it all the things in your observation note, and this is your homework, and the concept map is your homework. Just copy that in your class note. Okay, thank you student. We will see the remaining topic for our next class.